Good morning, ma'am. My name is Vikas Mangala, and ma'am, my project is based on the topic which is Li-Fi technology. Ma'am, let us understand what is Li-Fi technology. Ma'am, the term Li-Fi refers to light fidelity is transmission of data through illuminations and sending data through a LED light to bulb that vary in intensity. Ma'am, in simple term, Li-Fi technology is nothing but based on a light-based Wi-Fi technology in which data is transmitted using the radio waves. In case of Li-Fi technology, the data is transmitted in the form of visible light using the LED light sources through illuminations. Ma'am, next point is history of Li-Fi technology. This technology came to know during the year 1990 in the country like Germany, Japan, Korea. Where they discovered and found that the LED could be used as to send information and data transmission. Proof of that Harald Haas from the University of Antwerp show the world the potential of LED light to use to communication. Ma'am, this technology completely came to know in during 2012. Ma'am, next point is implementation of Li-Fi technology. To implement a Li-Fi technology, we need three components. First is emitter, second is RF driver, and third is power supply. Next point is how Li-Fi technology works. Operational procedure is very simple. If LED is on, you transmit digit 1, and if LED is off, you transmit digit 0. If you see any LED light sources and provide constant current to this LED light sources, then it will provide you constant current, illuminations and brightness. It is easy to switch off and switch on quickly LED lights, which gives the nice opportunity of transmitting data. We have to just vary the rate at which the LED flicker depending upon the data on want to encode. Ma'am, every source of light will work as central area for data transmission. Ma'am, next point is comparison between LED lights, comparison between Li-Fi technology and Wi-Fi technology. Ma'am, we have to consider following parameters to understand what is difference between Li-Fi technology and Wi-Fi technology. First is speed. Speed in Li-Fi technology also in high, and in Wi-Fi technology also high. Range in Li-Fi technology is low, and in Wi-Fi technology is medium. Data density in Li-Fi technology is high, and in Wi-Fi technology is low. Security is also in Li-Fi technology is high, and Wi-Fi technology is medium. Reliability in Li-Fi technology is medium, and in Wi-Fi is also medium. Powers available in Wi-Fi technology is high, and in Wi-Fi technology is low. Transmit is also high, and in Wi-Fi technology in medium. Bill of material is in Wi-Fi technology is high, and in Wi-Fi technology medium. Market security in Wi-Fi technology is low, and Wi-Fi technology is high. मैम, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज एडवांटेज ऑफ Li-Fi टेक्नोलॉजी. मैम, लार्जर बैंडविड्थ होता है, हाई एफिशिएंसी होती है, मैम मोर अवेलेबिलिटी होती है, हाई सिक्योरिटी होती है, नो लाइसेंस नीडेड होती है, ग्रीन इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी होती है. मैम, एनवायरनमेंट को मैम कोई नुकसान नहीं होता. मैम, लाइटिंग पॉइंट यूज एट हॉटस्पॉट्स एंड द इशू ऑफ द शॉर्टेज ऑफ रेडियो फ्रिक्वेंसी बैंडविड्थ मे बी शॉर्टेड आउट बाई Li-Fi. मैम, नेक्स्ट मैम, लिमिटेशंस ऑफ Li-Fi टेक्नोलॉजी. मैम, Li-Fi टेक्नोलॉजी डज नॉट वर्क इन डार्क एरिया. Secondly, मैम, light cannot pass through objects. There is a high cost of VL system to installation. And मैम, next is major challenge in facing Li-Fi is show the receiving device will transmit back to transmitters. And मैम, several external sources like sunlight and normal bulbs which interrupt the communication. Next point is मैम, application in which Li-Fi technology is mostly used. मैम, लोकेशन with GPS सर्विसेज. मैम, अंडर वाटर कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम. मैम, यूज फॉर मॉडर्न मेडिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स. मैम, Li-Fi technology can be used in the places where it is difficult to lay the optical fiber cable. मैम, RF spectral relief and used in मैम petroleum or chemical plants. मैम, last point is मैम conclusion. मैम, thereby we can conclude that the Li-Fi technology provides speed of 1 GPS per second, 10 GPS per second, and मैम it overcome the limitations of radio spectrum. मैम, Li-Fi technology enabled by the advanced digital transmission technology. If any person does not have advanced digital transmission technology, he cannot use an Li-Fi technology. And this may solve the issue of shortage of radio frequency bandwidth. And there is any question? Thank you, ma'am. My project is complete, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.